Hi friends, today I will show you how to make a game in Blender game engine. So let's get started. First, it's a very important thing to change Blender render into Blender game, then the default layout into game logic. Game logic display for our game. So move the character to z-axis, then add a floor for our character. Then change the name into floor and change the color. What color do you want? I want like a yellowish color. Then change the color of our character into red and name clear. That's a good name. Then change the physics type into character, and then on the collision bound, and change the shading into multi-textures to GLSL. This gives a good view to our game. And then change the viewport shading into texture. This gives our game view. And then add a lamp hemi. Then start the game making. Then click on add sensor, click on keyboard, then paste a key W for moving our character forward, and add actuator to x20, x 0.20. It will automatically add controller. Then close keyboard motion and controller. Then add 4 more keyboard. And motion actuator also. Then in the second one we will press S for backward movement, and then join with the motion, and X to -20 because it was 0.20, so it will -0.20. so play the game. Yeah, it's moving right. Then we will add for right we will add D and join with child motion with -20. That's good. Then for left we will press A and join with fourth motion. And Y 0.20. Then the last one we will press space for jump and join with the motion, and change the simple motion type into character motion. This gives an option for a jump. Then we will click on jump, and it will give jump to our character. When we play, yeah, it's moving and jumping also. We can change jump max jump type and jump force. We will jump force into 15,000 and play, and it's higher the jump. Then change the location of our camera. Press Shift F and change the location position of our camera. It's a good position for our camera. Now when we play, it is good view. When we press W, it move forward, and we press A, it move left, and when we press S, it move backward, and we press D, it moves right. That's a tutorial for our Blender game engine, and we will continue this in the next video.